Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the Chef's Kitchen.
Welcome to the Chef's Kitchen. I'm your host, Nicole Gaffney, and we're here today with Chef Patrick Feury of The Common.
How you doing?
Great to see you again.
Great, thanks.
What are we making today?
We're gonna make kind of like, it's a little bit like a po' boy, but it's gonna be more like a sauce gariche, a little bit more fancy than that.
As it always is with you.
We got a sauce gariche, which is basically it's like a tartar sauce, but it's a French version of that. So we're gonna take our cornichons.
And I see you have some really nice looking shrimp back there.
A little bit of olive oil. And then again, I use a touch of mayonnaise. And then we're gonna take our eggs and chop them up.
And then you just mix that right in.
A little bit of tarragon, a little bit of chives. We have our shrimp, and we're gonna actually fry them up.
So these will go pretty quick too. Now the oil's really hot.
Yeah,
at this
it
point.
is. Yep. We're gonna take some of these cornichons, but we're gonna fry some up too. So with this, we're gonna take sauce gariche. These guys
They look great.
Might not even make it to the sandwich.
You can hear how crispy they are. You can hear that crunch.
Right.
This looks awesome. All right, now I don't.
here we go.
This is not going to be elegant, but I don't really care.
Here we go. Nope.
To see today's recipe and all of the recipes featured on the Chef's Kitchen, log on to chefskitchen.tv.